easy side to let you go.
What's going on, guys? Rebuilds NI here, come back with a new video. Today we're going to be finishing off this 2012 Touran that was bought for my father. Now today in this video we're going to be building the bumper on, putting the parking sensors in and buffing the bumper up. Now we're going to give her a quick wash, hover on the inside and slick the tyres, make her look good. Now the reason why this build took so long was because we were waiting on the main Volkswagen grille that's just arrived, and boy it was there. It was like £140 I think just for that grille, and we haven't even got the Volkswagen badge yet, so we need to get it. Now there's a couple of wee things we're going to do in this video. The wee intercooler's leaking a wee bit, so with that once we'll try and fix it a wee bit. So we're going to try and like plastic melt it and stuff. I don't know if I'll show that in the video, but we're going to do that there. And we're just going to buff the bonnet again on the bumper when it's all on. Now I'm going to record me building the bumper obviously and setting her on. So I'm glad to be back at it. I'm glad to see this one done. So I am, because it's a nice car. I actually bought this car for myself, but my dad needed a new car, so I said, tell you what, I'll give it to him as a gift, I suppose. But anyway guys, I'm going to pull this thing up the garage. We're going to start building this bumper and hopefully see this thing done today.
Easy side to let you go.
So there you have it guys, bumper and all on her, looking really good. Now there's a hole here, we're missing a parking sensor bracket, so I'm going to have to get that, but I can put that in after, so I'm not worried about that. They don't get me wrong, there's a couple of wee things in her, but see, to be honest with you, even the colour's not too bad. It looks pretty good. I think my dad's going to be well happy with it anyway. That grill there was the dearest, it was about 160 quid for that grill, or it might even have been, I think it was 97. Wee bit off there, but yeah. So fitted up real nice, the gaps, not too bad, so they're not, considering how hard this car was hit. So now I'm going to continue on. I'm going to give this bonnet a wee bit of a buff around her and buff wee bits of the bumper and wax it all, and then I'll clean the inside of her. I'm not going to do too much talking in this video because, to be honest, might as well just crack on and get it done. There's no point talking shit to you, you know what I mean? So we're going to wax her and polish her, well, polish and then wax her, and then we're going to clean the inside and wax the whole car. So let's get cracking.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting, half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if
So there you have it, guys, that's the first car done. Can't actually believe how good it actually looks. Even that there, see that gloss black run stuff on it, looks really well, looks really well. Anyway guys, if you did enjoy this wee rebuild of this car from my dad, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. I'm going to actually clean it all and wash it all off camera, because I don't think he's want to watch me washing it and hoovering and stuff, so I'll do it all off camera and I'll slick the tyres and stuff. But anyway guys, if you have enjoyed the series, obviously like, comment, subscribe, as I said there. You know, we're getting closer and closer to that 100 subscribers. So anyway guys, this has been Rebuilds NI out.